Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can buy your first ever share using the Upstocks Pro application. So first of all, you need to add sufficient funds in your account. Adding funds to your account is a very simple process. You just have to click on the add funds and you have to add minimum of 100 rupees and maximum you can add anything you want. So I have entered 100 rupees and I have chosen the bank account. Okay, so now you have two options. Either you can pay using UPI or using net banking. So I will use my Google Pay account. Simply I will click on GPay and click on continue button. Now it will automatically pop up the Google Pay authorization window, and I will enter my PIN and the funds would be added. I am just showing you how you can add it. It is a very simple process. Otherwise, I have sufficient funds in my account. As you can see, the transaction is successfully completed. So you can check here, view payment history, and you will see in the deposits column that today is 9th of July and I have received the message also. 100 rupees is added. Now similarly you can add any amount you want. Now the main point, to buy a share you just have to click on this plus icon. Okay, this is your current watch list. You can create any watch list which you want. Okay, so by default you will get an indices watch list, I guess. So you have to click on this plus icon and you will search for the name of that particular share which you want to purchase. Now I have searched for Marico. You have to note down one thing. There are two major exchanges, stock exchanges in India, NSE and BSE, right? So by default, when you search for any share in the Upstocks Pro application, it will show you the NSE one, like here you can see. And if you want to purchase from BSE, you just have to write BSE after the name of the share. So it will show you the BSE one. NSE is added, BSE is also added. So when I will click on back button, here you can see on the watch list, I have both the categories, one on the BSE and one on the NSE. So I can purchase from anywhere. So for example, say I am purchasing from the National Stock Exchange. Now here on the top right corner you can see the current market price of the share. Okay, simply I am showing you how to buy a share. So I will click on the buy button. I will fill in the quantity. Okay, how much quantity you want to buy, you can fill. I want to buy one quantity, and order complexity we will keep simple. In further videos I will definitely show you what is CO, OCO, AMO, and I will show you the practical usage of it. But for now we want to purchase a share so that we can keep it with ourselves as long as we want. Order type is market. I will show you what is limit, SL limit in future videos definitely. Product is delivery because we want to take the delivery of this share with us, and validity might be anything. You can select on day or IOC. Okay, I'm going with IOC so that my order is immediately completed. Okay, then I will click on the review button and nothing you have to do. You just have to click on the buy button. That's it. Okay, so here in you see on the bottom side the navigation tab, this is the watch list, this is your orders tab. Okay, you have to check one thing after buying, that it should indicate complete. Okay, on the above the name of the share, so there should be nothing in the open and close this. Your order is completed and you have bought one share at 344. Now if you click on the portfolio section right next to the orders, you will see the share appearing in positions. Okay, so what will happen is, this is your trading account. Now this share of Marico of one quantity will get transferred to your holdings section tomorrow. Okay, that is after midnight. But this share will be transferred to your demat account after 2 days, that is T+2 settlement cycle. One concept is of T+2, you should know that. And if you do not know what is T+2, why it takes 2 days to get your share transferred to your demat account, you must know what is the T+2 cycle. So currently it is showing in positions, that is okay. And after midnight it will show in my holdings. So currently you can see Marico is 13. Okay, so what will happen after midnight, it will show the quantity as 14 here, correct, and the positions tab will be blank. Okay, so that is the complete process. And also in the fund section you will see we earlier had 13,455. Okay, 13,455, and now we have 13,111. That is the share we purchased used 344 from our funds only. So that is the thing. Okay, so you have successfully purchased your share. Congratulations. And please do not bother about the thing that is appearing in positions. Okay, the numbers going up and down here, sometimes in red, sometimes in green, do not matter. Okay, when you buy or sell a share from delivery. Okay, in delivery, see in delivery, please ignore these positions. After midnight, this positions tab will show blank, nothing. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks a lot.